Today I'm making chicken enchilada lasagna. Here's how. I'm starting with my favorite enchilada sauce, the family value size can. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom and we're going to layer. We're taking 6 corn tortilla shells and layering the bottom. Now we'll add chicken. And I'm using leftover chicken from last night's dinner. I just kind of cut it up into just small chunks. This is about 2 cups. And all we're doing is just layering it in. This is mixed cheese of Monterey Jack and cheddar. There's about 2.5, 3 cups. I might need a little more for this. Probably a lot more. But that's okay, I've got it covered. Add a little more sauce. And we just want a nice amount in there. Now we're gonna layer more corn tortillas, more chicken. The idea is we're kind of layering it like a lasagna, more cheese, and you really want to cover it to where it covers everything just nice and evenly. And you don't have to be perfect about it, just throw it in there. All right, more sauce, and we'll do the next layer. Right now I need to preheat the microwave convection oven. I'm going to cook it at 400 just to melt everything down. On a microwave convection oven, if you're using a regular oven, you would want to put it on 425. So we're going to put it on, our temperature is going to be at 400. Okay, while that's preheating, we're going to finish. These corn tortillas are really good. You can use any type of tortilla. You can use corn tortillas, which is recommended. You can use flour tortillas, which is a little soggy, but they really taste good. You can even use wraps for these. It all depends on what you want, how you like your enchiladas. This is just a version, a variation of what we like on our enchiladas. One more layer, hopefully that'll do it. More sauce in here. Okay, our last layer. Now everything that I have left over when it comes to chicken, I'm gonna put on this layer. Press it down a little bit, make sure everything's in there nice and firm. I think I explained before that you need a lot of cheese for this. I think I had 3.5 cups of the cheese. It's not quite enough to fill the top. Putting a little more on the top. Actually putting a lot more on the top. Top it off with more sauce, and you wanna use what's left in the can. I'm going to make sure that some of this coming down the sides, this is where it gets messy. Want to make sure the sides are tucked down. Next, we're going to top it with chopped olives. And I just take a little bit and go over the top. So now it's time to put it in the microwave convection oven. We're going to cook this until it melts, which I'm going to assume would be about 25 to 30 minutes. At 400, we're going to watch the top to make sure it gets a nice golden brown. With these microwave convection ovens, it does have a turntable. We're going to turn that off so we don't forget, because our pan is rather large. Okay, we'll put it in now. And start. So now we're going to wait 25 to 30 minutes. We're going to keep checking it just to see if it's got that nice golden crusty layer on top that we're looking for. And we'll see in a bit. Well, it's been 25 minutes. We're going to take it out of the oven to see how it's doing. See if it needs a little more time. Oh, that looks amazing. And like I said, we love cheese in our enchiladas. So this is what you get. It's a beautiful enchilada lasagna. And like I said, you can use any type of meat with this. You can use pork, you can use hamburger, you can use steak, chicken, anything that you like. All right, that wraps it up, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching our channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.